Hello, this is Bert from Infrared Heating UK, and in this video I will explain what infrared heating film is good for and where it works best. Infrared heating film is designed primarily for underfloor heating. It is a dry, ultra-thin electric heating system which sits directly beneath your floor. The ideal application for the heating film is floating floor system. This includes laminate flooring, engineered wood boards and other click fit systems which don't need to be glued or nailed to the subfloor. Because the floor is installed as a floating floor system, there is no need for adhesive, glue or any wet trades, and this makes the installation very fast. This means faster installation and a low floor buildup, which makes this underfloor heating system ideal for renovation projects. It is important to note that the heating film is not designed to be installed under ceramic floor tiles or in screed. For those applications, the electric heating mat is a perfect solution. You can also use infrared heating film under soft floor coverings like carpet or vinyl. However, in this case, a 7mm MDF baseboard system needs to be installed above the heating film. Another key point is that you need to make sure the combined torque value of the carpet and the underlay is no more than 2.5. This allows the heat to transfer efficiently to the room. Because the heating film is designed to be used with floating floor systems, we design systems which operates in the safe temperature limit, which is specified by the manufacturers, which is usually about 27 degrees. So in summary, the heating film is a perfect underfloor heating solution for engineered wood floors, laminated boards, or other solid click fit systems. And you can even use them with carpet or soft vinyl with the correct build-up by adding the MDF baseboard system. If you are planning a renovation or looking for a low-profile underfloor heating system, the infrared heating film can be an excellent option. If you would like help designing your system, feel free to get in touch. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I can answer them in the next video.